shacks, black ski.
Good evening. Local vehicles. Unidentified miscreants break into KHDC. Stolen, probe underway. President spoke to Kim Chan Singh set to take oath as Chief Minister. And Union sector, particularly and first Meghalaya conclave was held in Shillong today, with doctors and health officials discussing the rising cancer in the state. Speaking on the occasion, while admitting use alcohol cancer treatment is provided by the state. Several initiatives were.
Next, government is committed to today we provide safe services, free chemotherapy, free radiotherapy, and cancer machine and CT stimulator machine are under installation and will be operationalized. We made childbirth safe. Now we must make it fight safe period. Safety rising our Asha Hetman and cancer screening.
The Meghalaya Joint Coordination Committee of Passenger Vehicles today met Deputy Chief Minister in charge of transport exemption from mandatory vehicles. Speaking after the meeting, committee leader Wanbok Jurwa said the government accepted the demand and will be compulsory for district. For vehicles plying outside.
System yang mentah kasih tempelak menol te juga ini tracking device kita ke safety trong nong lek nong wan ya ki yang nggak ada lupa safety nama pengimli situ jong interstate ya gitu apa yang kecilnya kan ya kita siam te hendak bala hendak pasan ini kalau state
New budget of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council in the early hours of the day camped with cash. Open. KHDC Executive Member Denzil Ray. An FIR has been lodged at Lumdinjeri Police Station, and CCTV footage shows two suspects entering the building with faces partially covered and assess the extent of the loss.
Nong ta tinggal ibu ngene kamera kamera ru ki info ni ba pra tang bulan itu kai pungku ba ngilap iki ki pokor blak do yang bisa lupa kok selalu wajar ki jalan buatnya ini tabak ini buat siya di anut kita we don't give mas tong la ka sri dia buat ngiyak inspection sini ngilap kalau betul tu urung lagi karbon suatu ulat ke file approve.
The GHDC issues. Abal said efforts are underway to regularize salary by the 1st of every month. Service finalized and will be notified soon alongside employee training. Salaries are Agarwal said the state with salaries already released.
Also, so that all we discussed. So quite a few regarding being analyzed, there should be no disciplinary rules as well. So a lot of work is going to make sure in council as well, and we'll be planning a lot of training. All the and can follow. It's very important to enforce the rules also. When you professional tax, how to make sure that it is collected in a more systematic way, so that these the discipline in the rules, the increase being tried. So making sure, as was told previously also, we are making sure the salary is released. Obviously, for the month of the salary was released, although 1st February was a Sunday. Still, the bank on time, and the bank also managed to release it on by 1st.
The Golf Link Darbar Department and PWD conducted a joint inspection of the VIP road, recurring waterlogging during the Michael Heck has blocked the natural of water, causing flooding during heavy rainfall. He urged departments to complaining that further delays could trigger public road blockades. Opportunity to resolve the long pending issue at the earliest.
bahwa ambil kata outlet untungi kami ya nak kalian juga yang tahu mentang ini syok kini syok meeting sama ki tengi nak kalian ini kerpat iki mau apa ketika syok wan keslap dengan pendap itu ka Lex ke badai tamat kan bahagian at least kemungkinan iklan menen ya chief engineer juga sports ni ba bala ile kam employ ni ka kam kan ingin siapa tolong no lada ki ada keluar ke badiang tinggi lada kimla urban bagi akular tinggi lada kimla haru pergiur mata pagin bam slap yang kino susuno dingi tege ke banja sekmat ru ya kata mut ke dorwational kam tre ban kitli lada ke bagi la kino susuno dengan ongi film bagi min media bagi gila berngembet lada bikin kang bikin VIP dah ke kimat pekat imaki tolong kumno kani kam di isu ke berit kani isu ke bahaya bat ketua cakam tu VIP dan bengim kwa bukan poi senjam ke ba longban peleranya ke department ya yang ini sosong ni peleranya uno sosong tu happy ban keren jadi kimle yang besok kani kejuan instruction so isi dan kani sosong kayak senjam saya balbatai tapi
and neighboring villages take a public protest at the Primary Health Centre on Tuesday. The area has an HC national level mission. MP talked village admin and trees protest. Who has news?
Department akan santai daw kanai ladi pendap ikam kibasah ni dan akan digasih republik ngasuk bagi staff ni yang tu ke kuasa awak mengenai buram itu telah dekat dapat yang tahu beliau buat ni kalau dengan ngasno ni doktor Umar ikipai ba ulah yo jeng ikipai ba ulah trestom ni pene yo ngangayo kelaban lain juga ngayo kalau nggak distrik nah sektor kongwer baru nah tak sok kau tenak dia
Bernie mass alleging the fact permissions and severe action. Protesters from all sections of society without NOC from the villagers to heavy dust and clinker handling and truck movement. And village elders locked the fact that the field
Dia di ketua ni por kala khang kala iba kala thong ni plan close kala khang kan re menta kadang penjat tur ya ketua bang bunyi lu yang kijong ni bam kam tam kini tentang kena mentangi le baru kini kita dalam legal kita trek krem ki dokumen nadu ka bor bahalor dada kimtam ki dokumen kide ban dalam kurma ni kum pollution bakal kini kan suam hari ini ika pollution kenan yang mat senang Jakarta kau worry ka pollution apa jangan ka kejangi.
The Sinjuk ke Rangba Shnong Ribhoi district rated due to fraud by President Mission highlighting the damage caused by the Sinjuk
yang Mbak Snong, Lee Snong, diberi marangar, sadu siya umsaw nong beri ni don kajinggian, agak ide ban repair, ruswa bakin dia karong di mau bot kita ni tadong berkatang jungi. Option bilang kena kaliang jong ang ba jong ba impau jong ai kublai ya kaput pat kajinam jong ni ban repair ini terus ni nak kaliang jong repair ba repair ninyo panlay kunwan makajin play ay hero ni pau ba usrok bopin repair ulong usrok ba janay bana kalian jungi paiba no susong balik buwan usrok ba janay o ba kono ka chin komplek.
The literacy program child marriage free collaboration with the awareness conducted street plays and interactive sessions, children's rights and the qualification age vulnerable community and engaging out.
वो अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को अपनी प्रेम कीड़ा गुलाबी Hari ini kan dalam baca nong kita ia cuma surat lama ini kita sejai kita buat pernikahan. Jika Bagi kena kan apa hak kelas 6 dek. Ini kita cincang kan apa hak kelas 6. Dekat orang bokso, orang yang dikendam, orang pun saja yang diburu kita cincang nggak apa pun saja.
290-kilometer journey on from Tura to Shillong to inspire Meghalaya. Purpose or look at their journey and the message behind it.
Exciting 10-kilometer walk. The journey began on January plan. The trail walking up to 12 kilometers, weighing 15 kilograms. The first race marked positive interactions and public support. This Meghalaya workers initiative as a drug abuse and aim business.
Haknika jengi pastura haka anda elektrik Henry kerkum jengi lawan pendeploy tang news ni Henry haka sodium ni klam nilai medical check up prasni ka kejida hapitan don katkum ki jaka bangi ngai taban tam ban bisan po so po ni
distraction. Similar initiatives to promote healthy. The trio also departments, educational institutions, and local community.
Bangin ya kerja bangilong percaya drug. Kemudian kerja temu nak kerja yui kerja ni. Kerja Banyak lambat ni kini ki hinyos ni pun batai lani ban pesatu rai haka jingi mi jongi bro si jing ka jinglab ka jingsem ni kimlong kim parata ban ya peringkat berki hado kini peringkat banglab lani ki bangkiba ni pair kami manyaki jing
and as a powerful reminder, science begins with a single step. Bureau Report, Meghalaya.
Let us look at some news from the north. President Draupadi Murmu has revoked the 56 of the Constitution. Yumnam Khemchand Singh as the new Chief Minister, the return of an elected government. Yumnam Khemchand Singh legislature party headquarters saying will strengthen the Modi. A tool of the Manipur Assembly comes at a crucial time under President nation of N. Biren Singh. National news. Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal Lok Sabha step in strengthening and advancement by 2047. He said sectors, especially agriculture and dairy, securing benefit industry. Modi and the US announced a tariff reduction to 80% competitiveness. The agreement reflects deep two largest
तकनीकी प्रक्रियाओं को अंतिम रूप देने के लिए मिलकर काम शीघ्रता से घोषित की जाएगी। उन मुद्दों की जानकारी होगी पर हुई जैसा कि सरकार से कहा है कि 140 करोड़ भारतीयों की ऊर्जा सुरक्षा सरकार की सर्वोत्तम
and international Spanish access to social media for the World Government Summit in Dubai. Media said social media platforms would be verification systems. The proposal is ministers next week and will amend.
Spain will ban social media. It will be required systems. Look, today our to navigate alone. Violence, we accept that. We will protect them. We will change the law in for This means that techno platforms will face content.
First report for Tura, the minimum temperature record was 45%. Moving it was 8 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, in July, the minimum temperature recorded was maximum 21 degrees Celsius, and the relative humidity was 42% Celsius, and the relative humidity was 42%. Weather most likely. And another look at the headlines before we wind up. Meghalaya hosts second cancer launches cancer screening HPV testing statewide. Government relents on vehicle tracking rule, VLTDs vehicles. Pedestrians break into store away. President's rule revoked as Chief Minister. And Union Minister Piyush Goyal deal with will. Well, viewers, that's all we have.